How to get a private tab on Brave. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the private tab on Brave browser. So let's start. First thing we do is we go to Brave. As you can see, this is a normal tab, as you can see. And if you want to start using the private tab, you should click here on those 3 points down below. After that, click new private tab. As you can see, this is a private tab, even though sites you visit in private tabs are not saved locally. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for supporting me, and thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Thank you so much.